Here we go with the bloopers, because it's going to take me about 25 minutes to get this phone in here. Slide to the left. Slide to the left. Crisscross. You know what I'm talking about? Ponte serio, Bobby. Ew. Welcome back. It's Coco el Mecánico. ¿Cómo está, Beto? ¿Cómo está? Muy bien. It's the same. How we doing? Y'all know what it is. We back here with otro banger, otro video, otro fuego. And as you saw from the last video, we tinted the windshield. So now I can talk to 3 dots on the back of my iPhone in peace without feeling self-conscious. Yeah. But yes, we're back. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. This is the 3rd video. Things are getting serious, right? Coco, who is this nigga pulling up, bro? I'm vlogging. Huh. Oh, you can't see me. Hey, Papi, ¿qué pasó? Meanwhile, he doesn't know I'm macking with him right now, brody. You look good, daddy. Hey, yo, we got a little family going, huh? So if you're watching this video, you've been tuned in for the last 2 videos, you're part of the Mecánico family. Somos los mecánicos. But the question of the day, what are we gonna do in this video? Este video. ¿Qué vamos a hacer? Well, despite getting the windshield tinted and being able to see completely fine at night. Man, what the? I can't see shit out this thing. I figured, I think it's time to upgrade the lighting on the front so I can, you know, see a little better type shit. So in this video, we're going to be installing corner lights from Vette Lights. I'm going to do one of these. Did I do that right? Probably not. Not only are we doing these, we're going to do the Vette Lights LED fog lights as well. Get to be inside. Yeah, man. I got these, what, 2 years ago? I didn't buy them. My sister actually bought these for me. So if you're watching this video, I love you. Thank you for this beautiful gift. Comment down below, I love your sister. Oh, don't do that. Me lo bien, baby. Me lo bien. All right. Was it upside down? It was upside down the whole time, dummy. My fault, y'all. This is how it's gonna sit on the car. However, we gonna do a little something different. Man, shut up. I'm doing a vlog. So we're gonna throw some tint on that mug. But I'm not gonna tint the whole thing out. Everybody doing that. Not trying to be Mr. Different Special Pants over here, but I wanna do something a little different. So we're gonna tint out this part, right? But I want this part here to be clear. So it's gonna look tough. That's what we're gonna do next. I got my boy, my son, Yimmy El Mecánico. He's gonna be coming over later today. You're gonna meet him. He's gonna help me tint these lights. And then after that, we're gonna install them. So stay tuned. That was weird. Something like that. I don't know. I don't wink. I got no maidens, all right? And you may be asking yourself, Coco, what are you sipping on? No te preocupes. Why are you all over my cup? Back up. Don't worry about what I'm sipping. Now this right here, boy, that's that walk. No, I'm playing. It's that lean back. That lean back. You feel me? But enough talking. Let's get outside and see what we're working with. And obviously, before we get too serious, we're gonna get some before action, as always. What it looks like with the old, busted, crusty 20-year-old dog ass. Man, check this out, man. Hey, yo. Nah. These is cooked, son. Hey, yo. Bro, the bulb's literally outside of the housing. Que raro. So these are gonna come out, bro. These are busted. Nah. So here we go, y'all. Interior proper before. Right now they're off. This is what it does when I do this. And this is what it does when I do this. And the fog lights, bro, look, mira. It doesn't work, bro. It doesn't. That shit just don't work.
A few moments later.
Wait a minute. Y'all hear that? What? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Look at that stiff, bro. Damn, son. I see the guns. See the gains. What? Type shit. The scissors are that way.
I'm gonna try to explain it.
Alright,
So, okay.
okay.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and yeah.
Uh-huh. Exactly. That's perfect. That's exactly what we're gonna come in with a knifeless tape. What Jimmy has in his hand. We're gonna come down. We're gonna put it just like this, so like that. Cause I want to tint it, but I don't want this part tinted. I want this clear and sexy. So first step now, put the knifeless tape on. Then we'll catch up back with y'all. Nah, this already fucked it. Oh! Proper lines, proper lines.
Mm-hmm. Come back up a little bit. Got knifeless tape right here.
Uh-huh.
And then we hit the tint. Where the tint?
Where the tint at?
Where the tint?
Snap your fingers. Oh shit, what the actual fuck? Such a single verse to life.
We're still gonna do this. Just to kind of cheat this one through here, bro.
There it is. Alright, let's get a nice shot of that.
Let's see if we can do this.
Yeah. That's just darker than I thought. Fuck.
That's fine. That's fine.
Damn, son. So in classic install fashion, we're missing something that we need. So we out to Walmart. Beat it up. Out to Walmart, beat it up. Late night Walmart vibes. You already know we better act a fool.
So your sliding door is right by your front door.
Uh-huh.
Why use the front door?
Because the sliding door don't lock it. I can't lock it. Late night vibes.
A few moments later.
Shot I wanted. Marco! Hey!
But if I just like quickly snap it, it does the...
Hey! I hear shots. These motherfuckers are shooting. Hey! So at this point, we done ripped the damn tape off. Now, we're just coming in with the damn razor blade. We're cleaning it up.
$2,000 years later.
Oh, muy bien, get a load of that. Jimmy with the blast.
Yeah, boy.
What's good? Yimi con la blast. Thank you for pulling up my boy El Nene. We done finished up the tint on the lights. And that's it for tonight. So we'll catch up with y'all mechanicals tomorrow. And we're gonna actually install it on the car. See ya! And we're back. Let's get to work. We're gonna start with the fog lights. So let's get to it. So first we gotta start in the coupe. Go ahead and pop these boys up. Then we're gonna crank it back one notch. That way our headlights stay up and don't go nowhere. Then we just gotta take out 1, 2, and 3. Get your trusty guy, Phil. How you doing, Philip? So we get all 3 of them out. Let's see how this shit come out. It's probably gonna come out donkey, isn't it? So just kind of want to pry it down, back, and out. That was easy. Boom, bitch. So that buster's right down there, y'all. Let me see if I can grab it out on camera. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That's definitely a 2-hand kind of job, because the fuck. But got it out. Look at that. Blown as all hell. So now I'm gonna get the new one and we're gonna stoik that in there, in that hole right there. Let's do it. Oh, Lord. Man. Fuck. Thanks, bro. All right. Let's see what the new one look like, though. Women. Okay. So basically, you just put it right back in. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is our new LED bulb compared to the old one. And basically, I came through here, stoik my arm through there. Now we in. And you gotta make sure you twist it to the, will this be to the right or the left? I don't know, bro. You stick your hand in there and twist it until it's snug, like it is right now. And then we're just gonna plug that buster right back in. She's locked in. That shit better work or else. I don't want to mow the grass right now. But anyway, we got both of them in, so I'm gonna see if it works. Hopefully it does. If not, I'm gonna be pissed as 1, 2. All right, y'all, so they worked. So now we're just going to reinstall the plastic. Now it's time for us to zip those suckers out. So here's what we got to do. Also, we're underneath the sketchy ass car, and to get to the corner light, we just got to take this flippity flappity off. So 1, 2, 3 over there. So let's do that, and I'll catch back up with y'all if I don't kill myself. After you get that buster off, now we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to die. All right, I'll level my out. Should drop down. All right. So here's the corner light. So we got 1, 2, and over there. Okay, let's do it, boys. Oh my God. Once you get those suckers out, 1, 2, and 3, you just gotta get this little spring and unplug it, and it should come right out or something like that. And the beauty of only taking out the 3 is that you got some swivel action. Swivel's right out, right? So you can just move the bracket aside, get the light, and take it out. All right, y'all, so now we got the new, and time to fish it back up through the bottom. Lord have mercy, I hate cars, man. And make sure you have it plugged in before you go button it down. If it doesn't work, odds are you just have to flip one of the plugs. So I got it plugged in, it lighted up, all beautiful. So I'm just gonna fish the wires back in and bolt it up. And yo, we're back, and getting it in is obviously just reverse. You got your 1 bolt there, number 2 in the middle, and number 3 on the outside. I also put my oh my God, my back, my hyper flash harness up there. You guys can really route that wherever you want. Now we're just gonna have to put back the cover here and the air dam, aka the flippity floppity. So it's a calm 6 million years later. Cars are whack, bro. If you have a car, just throw it out. Just burn it, please. Fuck. But we got the lights in, the fog lights, the corner lights. They look good, man. They look good. I don't know if you can see behind me, but how about we turn the camera around and check it out? But yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wow, these are really nice. These are really, really nice.
2,000 years later.
Yo, what's good, y'all? So right now we got the headlights on, the corner lights, and the fog lights. And these are the views right now. And bro, not bad at all. This is just the fog lights and the corner lights. Like, my nigga, I don't even need headlights anymore. You feel me? Now these fog lights are mad bright. So this is without the fog lights on, just the corner lights. Damn, I can't see shit but the crashes though. The fog lights and the corner lights, bro, that's a mean duo though. I can see everything, man. Wow. So y'all, here they are, sitting pretty. They look good. They perform good as hell. They look good, man. So if you're on the fence, bro, what are you on the fence for? I mean, check it out. These should be in your car as we speak, dog. And of course, a look when they're off, looking good with the tint. What do y'all think about the tint? Should I have just left them clear, or you messing with the little tint on the side like that? Let me know. Let me know. I'll try and get a daytime shot too at some point, maybe tomorrow. Finished product. we think of the lights.
I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I can't lie. I'm liking it.
But I want to know what you guys think about it. So make sure you comment down below. As always, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a like. If you loved it, subscribe so you can see more. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Always